Since 1960, we design and manufacture a range of over 5,000 products, all technologically advanced, reliable, and of certified quality. Generating sets, agricultural and industrial motor pumps, irrigation machines, lighting towers, power stations, soundproofing systems are all examples of true made-in-Italy products, 90% of which are intended for export and used in more than 90 countries around the world. The entire production, designed to meet the needs of a varied target market, can always be customized to meet the specific technical needs of the customer. Who is always supported by high-level professionalism and expertise, widespread technical support, and a careful after-sales service. Customer satisfaction is the secret of our international leadership. The tendency to continuous improvement drives us to invest in strategic research and technological innovation projects. This is what we have always done, in full and rigorous compliance with our environmental ethical code. Our plants, organized according to an optimized vertical model, are united in a single site of 45,000 square meters. The application of the lean system guarantees a high degree of quality and optimization to the entire production cycle, which goes beyond the delivery of the product and is expressed in state-of-the-art customer service. Visa is energy. Generating sets with power from 9 to 3000 kilovolt ampere. 100% made in Italy, they offer long-lasting and high-level performances. Great attention is paid to the ecological aspect, managing Stage 5 low-emission engines and pollutant containment systems. All our products are customizable and developed to work with maximum efficiency, even in extreme climatic conditions or in complex applications, from -40 to +50 degrees centigrade, at any latitude and altitude. Visa Rent offers rental of a wide range of innovative generator sets, transformer cabins and lighting towers. It operates in Italy in 3 locations and abroad through a network of authorized distributors. It is a tactical division, ready to intervene at any time to deal with emergencies, natural disasters or extraordinary events, providing advanced equipment and systems that can be synchronized in parallel and controlled remotely. Visa Web Supervisor Plus, for example, allows remote monitoring of every plant wherever it is located in the world. Since the 1980s, Visa has expanded its know-how to motor pumps and irrigation systems for agricultural use. Today, the Nettuno division is a recognized player in the sector. Its strength lies in its offer of highly customizable products that include innovative systems for pumping water or fluids. Systems that have the advantage of being able to be adapted to any requirement for liquid transport, even with solid parts in suspension. Visa knows how to treat noise and is recognized as one of the most renowned manufacturers of high-efficiency sound insulation systems that meet the highest market requirements. Its reference divisions are two: Valmec, which has been producing metal components for machinery and industrial equipment since 1981. It is also specialized in the supply of base frames, metal structures and soundproofing canopies for compressors, machine tools, and for generating sets and motor pumps. Meteor, which develops and distributes versatile and innovative products for sound insulation and noise absorption. Ashlar, pyramidal and smooth materials, coupled with lead foils and high-density rubber. Since 1960, we have believed in synergy, sharing, and the importance of human relationships. The synergy between the members of our team guarantees Visa and its products the best balance between reliability and competitiveness. Direct customer relationships enable us to achieve very high levels of customer satisfaction. Collaboration with component suppliers is inspired by concreteness, mutual respect, and the desire to share long-term projects. Our flexible approach allows us to face the sudden changes in the global market with reliability and confidence. Visa, synergy of people producing energy.